Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines. It is about 7:25 a.m. on Saturday, June 14th, 2025. Oi, I had a wonderful phone call at 8 o'clock saying, "Come on in." uh, Overtime. Already had a long day yesterday and went in and had a long one tonight or last night. Oi, tired. That's an understatement. Could be worse. Always got to remember it could be worse. Be thankful it wasn't. Uh, hey, overtime. I need it. Yeah. Had a pretty good crowd through this morning, uh, which is a pleasant thing. Some days you really do wonder what's going on, and it really makes you question should you tolerate it. And then there's days that things just seem to fall in place, even though you're dead tired, cross eyed, and ready to crawl into bed and sleep. It is what it is. Anywho, I don't know if I'm getting a phone call this weekend or next weekend for a family reunion. I forget. I hope it's not this weekend, but I got plans for next weekend. I don't know. I'm at that point right now. Just tired and wiped out and ready for it all to be the end of a day because, yeah, I really want it to be the end of a day. Problem is, I'm hungry. Probably should have ate while I was at work. Because, yeah, life happens. Sometimes it's interesting. Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm not functioning real high today. My, I'm tired. My mind is dragging. It's been way too long of a day. Between getting a long day yesterday and late going to sleep and then early to waking up. Yeah, but that's okay. I did get a lot of stuff done, and I mean a lot. I even got stuff in my car I was going to give to somebody, and they didn't show up last night for work. So I guess I'll get to tote it around because I ain't taking it out of the car. It gets to sit there. I will hold off on moving the trash until Tuesday. uh, I wasn't planning on my car's back end getting tied up for the whole weekend. Crap happens. I guess I could add some more stuff into it. Uh, Monday morning? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe she'll come by and pick it up tonight at work. We'll see. I'm not going to trust that to happen, though. I'll just leave it in there until she gets, and then back up to her car and start throwing stuff in the back of it. Well, she did say she wanted a bunch of baking goods and pots and pans and such. I think even going to hit her with some of my cast iron. Well, give to her some of my cast iron in a polite, proper way, not throwing it at her. Because quite honestly, you throw cast iron at somebody, you're trying to hurt them. Just saying, that stuff is not light, and it don't give the hazard of it. Oh. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go to the family reunion if they call and say it's today. But it'll have to be real early. I mean, seriously early. Because I really don't have the energy to stay up too long. I don't know. Anyway, uh, gonna try and get some more stuff done Sunday and hopefully Monday. We'll see. At this point, I'm dragging backside so bad, I don't even think my butt left work yet, and I'm already here. Uh, I'm tired. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. I hope your weekend's off to a good one with lots of friends, family, and food. Food, friends, and family, and more food. Because, hey, you always need more food. Yeah. I don't know about y'all, but I do like eating well. And I really do want everybody to eat good. That's why everybody should be growing some sort of something. You know, if everybody planted just two different vegetables that they liked, think of how much that would save them in money and cut down on the waste from traveling food. Yeah, I think everybody needs to have a garden. It's a good thing to have. Anyway, William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the routine. Do what you do, which is you. Don't try to do other people. It's not good. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.